off and go into chapter 1. And chapter 1 is about introducing yourself to healthy eating and nutrition, ironically spoken. So what I've done, I've actually kept my notes up with me because there's so much to remember. But when I go through these notes, I'm going to elaborate on these key points so that you can actually understand even more. So the primary focus of nutrition programming is basically for optimal health and to provide you with fuel to live your best life, pretty much. And with principles, they do vary per person. It depends on your goals, your activity levels, your tolerance to certain foods, and also your training regime. So say for instance, for myself, I like to train 5 to sometimes 6 times a week, depending on my goals, depending on what I want to do with my life. But for some people, so for instance, like my busy clients who literally run 7-figure businesses and have over 100 employees, time is very scarce. So what we do, we adjust their training program and their nutrition based off their time and commitments, but also vary it, but keep to core principles so that they can do what they need to do. And that's how we can keep things mega realistic. So for instance, if someone is looking to reduce their body fat, their variations of their nutrition will be different to what I will have when I'm looking to literally gain muscle. But there will be certain key principles where you do meet in the middle, where you can waver each side. And all what it is about making sure that these principles remain the same, because we tend to just deviate and just run away from them when we don't need to. But the benefit of like a healthy diet, as cliche as it says, is just you literally are what you eat. If you eat rubbish, you will literally look and feel rubbish. But if you eat good, you will actually feel amazing. And like a lot of people don't believe it because they don't eat good for a long period of time. So therefore they think, this is just fad. So then they start looking for the easy options. And that's not really going to help you out in this day and age, just because everyone's looking for that quick fix. But when we relate it back to like the caveman times, they did not have MyFitnessPal. They did not have all of this technology available. They listened to the gut instinct. They hunted and gathered their food, cooked it, ate it, and then if they was hungry again, they just do the same again, rinse and repeat, or they just hoard loads of food. But obviously, on the topic of healthy eating and nutrition, the point of this video today is just to enable you just to understand that when you actually do eat healthy, you will get a stronger immune system, you will have healthier skin, teeth, nails, and hair. It will improve your concentration levels, so it will help you to have laser-like focus on some days, because it depends on situations and other people as well in your surroundings. It will improve your mood / happiness. It will help you to reduce your body fat organically or gain muscle. And then it will help you to reduce the risk of heart attacks, diabetes, and many other diseases. Diabetes is a funny one because, say for instance, like type 1 and type 2. Type 1 is literally down to your nutrition. Like a lot of people get type 1 diabetes because their nutrition is so poor that the body's just like, oh my God, I can't. It's just crazy. So make sure that you actually focus on eating healthily, because you are responsible for your energy levels and providing fuel for your muscles and your brain. So with some scenarios in type 1 diabetes, with people eating healthy for so long and giving the body what it needs, they've actually reversed and come out of that predicament. And that goes to some people out there at the moment. They might not believe that because we've been chucked pills and these magic formulas to help ourselves, but the basics never fail. The foundations are always there at the bottom of the grid to help support everything else. Because with supplements, with mealtime urinary frequency, which we are going to speak about in today's videos, you will notice that like the core principle is just basically being healthy.